Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdek I am Chimthanawala. Today let me discuss a very interesting case. A very interesting case which led me to prescribe a very interesting remedy also. I had a case where the patient said, Doctor Sahab, I have headache and I am very happy when I have headache. Means डॉक्टर साहब बड़ा मजा आता मेरे को हेडेक रहता है तो इट वाज द वर्डिंग्स ऑफ द पेशेंट. Now I have never found a patient in pain. He is very happy, he is very cheerful, he does a lot of work and it makes him happy. He was accompanied by his member of family and he was also saying that sir he is very happy when he has headache. So a very interesting case of headache, a migraine I had, that a patient was telling me I am very happy when that I am headache. He becomes very cheerful when there is headache. He starts talking good, becomes positive. So we know that he is suffering from headache. Now I was not sure whether to take that symptom for prescription now, so I said let me have the case first. And he said, sir, headache comes. Asked him how is the headache. He said ऐसे लगता है कोई ऐसे हथौड़ा मार रहा है, कभी कभी लगता है कि ऐसी खट 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 हार्ट बीट समान पल्सेट कर रहा है. That means he was referring that sometimes there is pulsating headache, sometimes there is throbbing headache. Then I asked how is the extension of headache, from exactly what is the location. So he said headache I have in the forehead which extends to the occiput. Now this is a very important symptom where the patient is trying to define the headache. That is very important in such cases. That pulsating and throbbing headache, lot many remedies. But now the headache starts from forehead which extends to the occiput and that becomes an important symptom. And then I asked him, anything else you want to add? So he said, see my tongue. It is very painful, it was red. So I said, maybe a red triangular tip. I said, no sir, this is not because it is red as such, but because whenever I go to sleep, जब भी मैं सोता हूँ मेरी दांत में टंग को काट लेता हूँ. Whenever I go to sleep, I bite my tip of the tongue. I said, okay. Now this was a very important symptom what the patient was telling. And I asked his family member, is it that right? He said, yes sir, he always sleeps like this. We close the mouth, it again become like this, and sometimes then he bites the tongue also. I said okay. Then I asked him, as the sleep question was going on, I asked him what are the dreams. And then the patient started describing dreams. कि सर कभी के ड्रीम आता है कि ऐसी कोई गोला है और गोला घूम रहा है और फिर चले जाता है गोला. कभी कभी लगता है कि ऐसा कुछ चीज भाग रहा है चार पैर वाला, बट मुझे समझता नहीं क्या भाग रहा है, और वो भागते रहता है. कभी कभी ड्रीम में वो भागते ही रहता है, मैं उठता तभी इतना भाग रहा है वो. I said the patient maybe we are looking as an hysterical patient. I was thinking because very vivid dream he was telling me. Then I asked him any other dream. Then he said sometimes I have dream that horse is running and running only. So maybe I thought that the dream he was telling before, that one animal of 4 legs was running, maybe that was a horse. He said no sir, that is different and horse is different. Then I asked him any other dreams you have more. Then he said sometimes I dream that I am standing and people are there and I am doing something when I am standing. I said what are you doing? I said I don't know sir, but I am doing something when I am standing. Again a very wayward dream which I could not interpret, so I left it. So I said let me go further. In fact the dreams of horse was very prominent, so I said okay, let me have that dream first and then I'll maybe again come to that dream and ask him about that dream. I said any hobbies you have or anything, any hobbies you have, and he said that I like to invest in stock market because I want to become rich and I want to earn a lot of money. So I had the case where the patient wanted to earn a lot of money, and the only source of earning money fast and a lot of money was playing in stock market. And maybe a very important symptom as far as our Mathematica goes. But then next symptom, I asked him that anything which you like to eat. What about eating patterns? Do you like to eat something which is very good for you and you like to eat more and more? And his answer was very precise and very fast. He said, "Sir, I like to eat बनानास." मुझे केले खाने का बहुत शौक है. मैं एक टाइम पे 5-6 भी केले भी खा सकता हूँ. एक बार तो मैं 10 केले साथ में खा लिया. I love bananas. And one more, I said something else. And sir, I like to drink green tea. I can drink any amount of green tea. I love green tea. So this was a case in front of us. This was a case in front of us where the patient was describing symptoms, but you cannot get that symptom. I again went and asked him about dreams, and again he started that one day I had a dream as if I am sleeping on something which I don't know, and I keep sleeping, then I wake up having the sleeping dream. So when you repetize this case, some symptoms are very precise and some symptoms are very wayward, very difficult to understand also. But let's see how do we convert the patient's language in the rubric form and then able to prescribe according to the Mathematica. Now when you keep this symptom in your head, we have symptom when the patient is very cheerful during headache. First symptom. Second, we have symptoms of pulsating, throbbing headache extending from the forehead to the occiput. Third, we have a very specific dream, that is dreams of riding in a horse or dreams of horse. Now whenever you have dreams of riding on a horse, I have seen 3-4 drugs were very important. The first drug I would like to share where I have prescribed that with this symptom, that is Bambusa. Bambusa has this dreams of riding on a horse. And second drug is Natrum Carb, which I have found very useful with the same dream. And third drug, this which I am telling you. Fourth symptom that which I took for prescription was play gambling stock marketing. Whenever the patient loves to play in the stock market because you want to become rich, you must remember 2-3 drugs. The first drug which I found very useful is mercury, that is Merxol. Merxol has a very important symptom, likes to play in the stock market. Second drug that I found useful is Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus aureus also has the same symptom, likes gambling in stock market. And the third drug which I very found useful is magnesium carb, a MAC carb patient. Now let us see about his desires. One desire which was very common, he was very straight in answer, that is he loves bananas. And whenever the patient loves bananas, 2 drugs you must remember. The first one of course is tuberculinum, a very common drug, tuberculinum. And the second one which I have seen in my practice is ozone. An ozone patient also loves bananas, he craves bananas. That becomes a very important symptom of ozone. And now he loved drinking green tea, which was bitter, in fact he added. But there is no symptom in a repertory that loves green tea. But there is definitely one rubric, that is desires bitter drinks. I took that for prescription, desires bitter drinks. And whenever the patient desires bitter drinks, I have found 2-3 drugs very useful in this symptom. The first is Natrum Mur, the second is Sepia, and the third is Aloe-Socratina. These 3 drugs are also important, desires bitter drinks. You can also have, उसको करेला का जूस बहुत पसंद है, also bitter. So some symptoms, then if you want to repetize, seen the repertory, then you have to be very innovative in converting the patient's language in rubric form. So I took this for prescription, desires, bitter drinks. When we repertorize these drugs, a very, very infrequently used drug comes to our repertory chart, and the drug is, my friends, Theridion. Theridion is a very important drug for sensitivity. But in this case also Theridion came. I gave this patient Theridion 1 1 dose, and with that dose his headache symptom went off, everything went off. But let us see what were the dreams which I took for prescription. That also is covered in Theridion. Now if the patient is trying to tell you, okay, I see something of a ball like coming and then going, sleeping on something continuous, riding on a horse continuous. So his dream were very indefinite, unlimited dreams, you say, indefinite. He could not define the dreams. Even in dreams, that ball like was not exactly coming as a ball, that four-legged was exactly not coming like an animal, but he could see that something four-legged was coming. So I took the rubric dreams indefinite, and you can see Theridion has this dream also, dreams indefinite. And whenever you have dreams indefinite, you must remember 2-3 drugs. The first drug that you must remember dreams indefinite is Bryonia alba. Bryonia alba has a very important symptoms, dreams indefinite. Second is Ignatia ambra, and third is Ipecacuanha. Ipecac, Ignatia, Bryonia, Theridion, dreams indefinite. Again, conversion of rubric, patient's language to rubric form. Few symptoms I would like to add in Theridion, that is the patient biting tip of the tongue during sleep also is covered in Theridion, and opens the involuntary opening of the mouth during sleep, that also is covered in Theridion, which was there in our patient. Other symptom which are very rare in Theridion, which I would like to add, that is the patient always sits cross-legged. If you uncross the legs, you will again sit cross-legged. Again an important symptom of Theridion, again an important symptom of belladonna. One more symptom of Theridion, the patient desires a dry rice. Whenever the patient desires dry rice, we always think about alumina, but Theridion, alumina, and one drug is also is Thea. Important drug desires dry rice. And I would add one more symptom in Theridion, that is elements from washing or elements from laundry work. That is also covered in Theridion, which is also a 3 marking symptom of sepia. So this is in short about Theridion, a very, very important drug. The symptoms which I added, like uncrossing the leg, always sit cross-legged, desires dry rice, is also symptom which you'll see in your patients. Sometimes the patient in the morning will get up and tell you that he has pain in the TM joint, temporomandibular joint, and the joint becomes stiff, he cannot open the mouth. That is called as trismus. And I found this drug very useful in those cases where the patient has pain in the TM joint, Theridion. So my friends, a very important symptom in Theridion. One more symptom I want to add in Theridion, that is he has dreams of journey. Dreams of journey is going far away, dreams of always traveling or journey. You must remember Theridion. In fact, if you see Mater Medica, only one drug dreams of journey, and that is Theridion. So Theridion, apart from the sensitivity of the teeth, a very important drug if you see all the symptoms of Theridion. So my friends, again go home and read Theridion, and you will come to know it is indicated in much more complaints than we ever thought of. what I have seen in my 25 years of practice. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.